In this video, I show you how to set up YouTube parental controls. If you're new to the channel, please go down below and consider subscribing. And once you've done that, please go down below and consider leaving a like. And let's jump straight into this guide. I'll be showing you a few different ways of how you can go and set up parental controls on YouTube. And I'll be showing you different methods for both mobile and computer. So for this first method, what you need to do is go and open up YouTube, whether that be on the YouTube app or on the YouTube website. And if you're on the YouTube app, what you need to do is go to the top right and go and tap on the profile picture icon, just like so. And here we are. And then once you're on this page here, all you need to do is go and tap on settings, just like so. And then once you're on settings, you need to go and tap on general. And what you can do is go and find this option here for restricted mode. As you can see, it says this helps hide potentially mature videos. No filter is 100% accurate. And this setting only applies to this app on this device. So each device which you want to go and set up parental controls on for YouTube, you need to go and turn on restricted mode, and here's how you can do it on desktop. So if you're on a desktop device, all you need to do is go to the top right of YouTube and go and tap on your profile icon once again, and then scroll down, and you need to go and locate restricted mode on this list here. Then tap that, and then we can go and turn this on, and as you can see, it says the same thing, and then YouTube will reload, and that's now enabled. This is the main parental control that's available on YouTube on the app and the website, but something else you can go and try, so if you're on a mobile device, is to go and get the YouTube Kids app. So all you need to do is type in YouTube Kids on the App Store or the Play Store, and then it's going to appear. If you haven't heard of YouTube Kids, it's basically YouTube specifically made for kids, and it's a lot safer than the normal version of YouTube. So I'm going to go and tap on it now, and when you first go and open up the app, it's going to go and say get a parent to unlock the app. So in this case, I'm going to be the parent, so I press I'm a parent, just like so, and then we can go and set this up. So firstly, you need to go and enter a PIN, and there's a video, or you can just go and read the text, and YouTube are going to explain exactly how the YouTube Kids app works. So essentially, you can go and sign in, and then go and create a profile for each child. So go and press on the arrow on the right hand side, and then you go and choose the account you want to go and use. I'll use this one here, and then press sign in, and then you need to go and agree to this, which I've already read before. And then once you signed in, we can then go and create this profile. So I'm going to go and enter some information now. And then you can go and set the content settings. So as you can see, you can go and approve content yourself, or just go and choose one of these ages here. So you can choose any of them which apply to you. And then it's going to explain the type of videos you've gone and chosen. So I'm just going to use older in this case and go and tap select and wait for it to load. And there we go. I've now gone and created this profile, and it's going to go and give us a full tour. As you can see, just go and press next, and there we go. Then you can go and use this profile for your child. So tap here, and it's going to say signed in, and then it's going to show you all the content that it's going to go and watch. And this is quite well moderated. As YouTube said, it may not always be 100%, but it's going to be a lot better than the normal version of YouTube. So there we go. If you found this guide useful, please go down below and leave a like. Peace.